Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw crypto on Coinbase using USDT. To withdraw crypto on Coinbase using USDT, start by launching the Coinbase app or website. Log into your Coinbase account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Assets tab on your dashboard. Locate USDT in your list of assets and click on it. On the USDT asset page, look for the Withdraw option and select it. You will be prompted to choose a withdrawal method. Select your preferred method, such as a crypto wallet or bank account. If you choose to withdraw to a crypto wallet, enter the wallet address carefully. Double-check that the address is correct, as transactions cannot be reversed. Next, enter the amount of USDT you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details, including fees and total amount. Confirm that everything is accurate before proceeding. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the transaction. You may receive a verification prompt via email or text message. Follow the instructions provided to verify the transaction. Once verified, the withdrawal will be processed. You can track the status of your withdrawal in the Recent Activities section. Wait for the transaction to complete, which may take a few minutes to several hours. After the transaction is confirmed, check your wallet for the USDT. Remember to keep your wallet secure and back up your recovery phrases. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn crypto on Coinbase using USDT. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.